I'm Dr. Ann Savage, and I'd like to welcome you to the second annual Walt Disney World Holiday Bird Count. This is a great opportunity for our cast members and their families to get outside and explore the amazing number of birds that call Walt Disney World home. So whether you're an expert birder or a novice birder, you're going to have a great day because you're going to learn new things about how to spot birds, how to listen for birds, and actually some of the interesting behaviors that these birds will exhibit when you find them.
You know what, it's a Saturday morning and I'm at the Tibbet-Butler Preserve right close to my house, and what a great way to be outside with a little pair of binoculars and be able to see all the birds and the winter birds that are here wintering that we don't get to see in the summertime, and just a great way to be out and connect with the outdoors.